A visit from Governor Kathy Hochul today, and it comes right in the middle of that post-holiday surge.
COVID cases sky high in Monroe County and across the state, and hospitals are feeling it. Jack Watson spoke with Hochul today in Rochester, and he joins us now live with the latest. Jack.
Adam, all this is unfortunately an increase in COVID cases and hospitalizations that we knew was coming. And when Governor Kathy Hochul visited Rochester today, she said that especially with fewer people getting tested over the weekend, we're going to see those numbers climb again into this week. In her second visit to Rochester since Governor Kathy Hochul became governor, a plea to the whole state to again buckle down.
We're not in a good place. I'm going to be really honest with you. This is the winter surge we predicted.
The visit at SUNY Brockport's Rochester Educational Opportunity Center, itself a vaccination site. On that note, the governor says vaccinations in kids are still lagging behind, fewer than 30%.
We need to get those numbers up. 29%, 5 to 11. We get that high, we get that up to 50, 60, 70, 80. You don't have to worry about when they're in school at all.
Also, new today, a new distinction we'll soon see from New York hospitals. Is a COVID patient in the hospital because of COVID itself, or is it a positive while being treated for something different?
When we're looking at the hospitalizations, the people testing positive in a hospital, is that person in the hospital because of COVID, or did they show up there and are routinely tested and showing positive, and they may have been asymptomatic or even just had the sniffles?
As Hochul notes, hospital capacity is hospital capacity, and to prevent it from getting any worse than it already is, a renewed push from state and local leaders to urge masking and getting boosted.
That's how we keep our schools open, it's how we keep our businesses and our restaurants running, and that's how we keep our hospitals at a reasonable capacity.
Well, Adam, we know how difficult it's been for some folks to get some COVID-19 test kits for their families. The state is opening several new testing sites across the state, including one here in Rochester. It's at the Carlson YMCA here in Rochester. For now, we are live at the SUNY Educational Opportunity Center. Jack Watson, News 8.
I have to imagine those sites will be very popular. Jack, thank you. In terms of the latest local COVID numbers, Monroe County reporting 38 new deaths related to COVID-19, those deaths occurring between December 15th and the 29th.